Hello dear student, how are you? Dear student, today I am present in front of you with a new topic with new physical fitness test, Harvard Step Test. This test is basically formed to check our cardiovascular fitness test. So dear student, today you are going to read about the Harvard Step Test for checking the cardiovascular fitness test. Dear student, this test was developed by Barua in 1943 to measure the cardiovascular fitness of the individual. It is good test for measure of fitness and ability to recover after strenuous exercises. So purpose of this test to measure the cardiovascular fitness of an individual, and equipments of test for equipment required for the test, one gym bench or box 45 centimeter or 17 inches high for women and 50 centimeter or 20 inches high for men, and stopwatch, one assistant or helper. So these things we have to need, we have to keep attention only this, that the height of the box for the women 45 centimeter or 17 inches, for men 50 centimeter or 20 inches. So now we have to read about the administration and procedure of test. So basically in this test the student step and step down on the gym bench for 5 minutes or until exhaustion at a rate of 30 steps per minute. Firstly, the student performs warm up. As you know that before any activity we are performing, first of all we should perform the warm up and comes near the gym bench. Second, at the command of go, the student start to step up and step down on the gym bench, whereas the assistant starts the stopwatch at the same time must be start. Third, this goes on step up and step down for 5 minutes or until exhaustion, till suffocation. So this next for the assistants measure the pulse rate or heart rate as pulse 1 for 1 minute or for 30 seconds after for 1 minute of recovery. Second, again we will take the measurement. The assistant measure the pulse rate, heart rate as pulse 2 for minute, 1 minute or 30 seconds after 2 minutes of recovery. Just like this. Next, the assistant again measure the pulse rate, heart rate, a pulse 3 for 1 minute or 30 seconds after the 3 minutes of recovery. So these all tests we have to measure. These all pulse rate we have to measure after first. We have to measure the pulse rate after 1 minute recovery. Second times we have to measure the pulse rate 2 minutes recovery, and third pulse rate we will measure after the 3 minutes recovery. And these all pulse rate we have to measure. Now we have to, you can see here administration of test how they are going on. So this like this we have to do the up step down, the height of the bench for men and women you are watching here. So these all things we have to check out, and we have to things, then everything should be proper, and in this way we can take the test. Now calculation procedure of this test. So using these three pulse rate as pulse 1, pulse 2, pulse 3 as estimate of fitness level can be determined as follows. So this computational fitness index of Harvard step test we can measure, we can check, calculate by three methods. So first method, first of all duration of the exercise in seconds. So we upper side we have to take the duration of the exercise in second into 100 upon 5.5 into pulse count between 1 to 1.5 minutes after exercise. So this pulse count we will write here. And next formula for 1 minute pulse calculation formula, for 1 minute calculation formula is here. equal to 3000 divided by the pulse 1 plus pulse 2 plus pulse 3. So this is the for 1 minute pulse calculation formula. And third, computation of fitness index of Harvard step test. Third formula is the for half minute pulse calculation for 100 into test duration in second upon 2 into sum of pulse 1, pulse 2 and pulse 3. So these by this formula we can check out the Harvard step test computation. So you can watch here the evaluation of the test for the male. देखिए you can see here the excellent fitness more than 90, good fitness 80 to 90, average fitness 65 to 79.9, low fitness 55 to 64.9 and poor fitness below 55. And for female more than 86 and good 76 to 86, average 61 to 75.9 and low fitness 50 to 69 and below 50. So these are the calculation, and by this that we can check out the evolution and that in which category we are going on. So we belong to the which category we can check out by this the test, and we can check out the these all three formulas. So all three formula according to this excellent fitness, good fitness, average fitness, low fitness we can check out, and poor fitness. So this student today you have read about the Harvard step test. This is a very important student. Last 4-5 years this test continue asking in the board exam, Harvard step test, Rockport step test. So please be attention, and you have to properly have to do. If you're not understanding any concept, any problem, then you can talk with me. You can directly contact with me with my WhatsApp number, or you can directly call me, and you can check out your fitness also. When you will check your fitness, then you can also learn how to calculate, how to check the cardiovascular fitness by the Harvard step test. So dear student, okay, I think that you have understood. If any problem, so you can call me. Okay, thank you, bye bye. We will meet soon with new topic, with new PPT. Okay, bye.